This 5-minute solution will show you how to hide following list or follower list on Instagram from followers. So if you don't want to show your following list to anyone on Instagram, follow these simple steps and the process will be similar for Android and iPhone users. Open your Instagram application and open your profile. Tap on this 3-line icon at the top right. Settings and privacy. Scroll down and tap on account privacy. And to hide your follower or following list, all you have to need just make your Instagram profile private. Only your followers will be able to see your photos, videos, follower list and following list. So tap on switch to private. Only your followers will be able to see your following list. And if you're still wondering to hide your following list from some of your specific followers, then all you have to do is just restrict those users. So this is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.